make money online blogging. Alright, hey there, this is Umumre Baruna Monday. If this is the first time you're stepping across my channel, you're welcome. Alright, I make videos on how to make money online, how to do all this affiliate marketing, business, finance, anything that is centered around your life hack. That's what I make video about. So be sure that you subscribe to my channel as you're going to see more amazing videos coming your way. And my videos are actually life transforming as I get to receive a lot of testimonials. Those persons that have actually been trying out a lot of thoughts for the past 1 year, 2 years, and 3 years, and they couldn't figure it out. They could just figure it out with just few minutes of my video. Just okay. So I actually make things clear and details for you guys. So with that said and done, let's just go through this video right now. Let's say you want to start a blogging live and you're wondering how you can get started off and how you can start making money blogging. All right, here I'm going to spit out the truth to you and then how you get started, the step-by-step process. All right, the step-by-step process that you need to follow to actually have this done. All right, I'm a blogger as well, and I'm a vlogger too. That's a YouTuber, and then I do other things as well. So I'm in the best position to actually guide you through because I have my own experiences to share with you. All right. So now this is what you need to start a successful blogging career. All right. Now, being a blogger is an amazing thing, especially when you love to write. All right, there are a lot of us that actually love to write things, and then we write a lot of articles on social media, and we are not paid for it, although we are delivering values. But most of the times, you need resources to deliver values. All right, you buy data, you subscribe to, you buy phones, and all of those things to actually put out those articles. And we love to put out these articles on consistent basis. All right, so it makes it nice to own a website that you could be updating things so that people can actually stay tuned. All right, so that when you want to update, there are some things that you need to update that need some pictures, some videos, and most are why updating on social media, you could not differentiate pictures. Let's say you're updating on Facebook, like there are some section I need to put picture here and then write a little, put picture down. But Facebook may not allow that because it's just a social media platform where you can just post anything. All right, just post. All right. So and that's where a website, a blogging website comes in. And when it comes to blogging, there are varieties of opportunity in blogging, varieties of ways you can make money blogging. All right. All you need is a blogging site, traffic, and money comes in. All right. So now this is how it goes. Now, first of all, the first thing that is always very important is you have to choose your area of interest. That's what they call your niche. All right. So most persons might be blogging on a cooking niche. We have cooking niche. We have entertainment niche. We have news niche. Thank you. Pardon me. We have news niche, that's you're talking about the current updating people with news. Then we have technology niche, that's you're talking about the latest technology. And then we have traveling niche. All right, so there are a whole lot of niche out there for you to actually choose from. And this, when you choose a niche and then you can as well go multi-line, you will have health niche too. So, but one thing that is more important that I always say is it should be a niche that you are always ready to, talk about, write about, and you're ready to actually work with, because you can't choose a niche that you are not comfortable with, because as time goes on, you might get bogged down and not find the interest when the challenges come in. Blogging is enriching and it has its own challenges as well. All right. So when that challenging time comes, what keeps you going is being consistent and doing it as what you love is what keeps you going. All right. So now, having decided on the niche you want to blog on, the next thing that you need is to buy a domain, to decide on a domain and a host provider that you want. You decide on the domain, the name of your domain, all right, and the host provider you want to operate with. All right. For me, I operate with Namecheap, all right, and then I actually recommend them because they've actually been pretty well with me. Like they've been really good with me. I don't have problem with them. Renewing my listing every month or yearly. is not is actually cheap for me, and it's just cool, just cool. All right, there are other ones out there, better ones out there, but this is the one that I actually um recommend for you guys because they are easy to use. So now, having gotten a domain name, just register with them, search your domain name, and if it's available, you have it paid for. Once you have it paid for a hosting account as well, set up a hosting account, then install WordPress on it. Once you have WordPress installed on it, and then on your WordPress, you choose the theme that you're okay by. All right, there are thousands and thousands of themes out there. Themes, that is the themes template that you want to work with, that actually suits your style of blogging that you want to operate with. All right, choosing your theme has a lot. All right, there are some themes that are actually being paid for. All right, some teams they have the free version and they have the pro version. All right, and if you want to start up a blogging that might be needing AdSense approval, please do not start up a one-page team blog. Right, a one-page team blog will not be accepted. Reason being that Google, okay, I don't know the reason. Okay, the reason being that Google needs something a bit more detailed, all right, and then so you don't need a one-page team blog. So now, when you're blogging, having choosing your team, like when you have your team chosen and then you set up your WordPress site the way you want, it's actually a click and drop process. All right, and there are hundreds of videos online that actually shows the individual process on each section of your WordPress that you want to add up. All right, so now set it up properly the way you want it. The initial setup is very important because as time goes on, you won't have time to set it up again, because what you'll be needing as time goes on is updating your blog post all the time and not setting up your blog anymore. It's updating and not setting up. So now, when that is done, the next thing that you would love to do is categorizing your blog into different categories. All right, already uh, you need to categorize it into like you need to have different categories. Let's say you are blogging on a health niche. Let's say health niche. All right, you could be talking about daily health. That okay. Daily health is a category on its own. Okay. What do they weight loss is a category on its own, and then uh, what do they call it? Food, good food for health is a category. So you could just think out things, all right, or make you could just think out things, just categorize it the way you actually want. All right, okay. Let's say you're talking about financial. All right, like say all this making money, all this money online. If you can talk about cryptocurrency, you can talk about business, you can talk about money management, you can talk about forex. All those things are different categories you can actually categorize your blog into. Now you need at least a minimum of okay, you need a minimum of about 15 pages of your blog page before of blog post before you can actually be approved by AdSense. All right, okay, these are the things that you actually need before you can be approved by AdSense, by Google AdSense. Being approved by Google AdSense in a layman language means that Google actually accept your blog as a yardstick for them to show ads, and then you get paid uh, for when people view ads. People that your website visitors view Google ads, you get paid for those views that you got. All right. So now this is what you need. Now, I haven't done all this things. You need 15 original posts by you. 15 original posts. All right. Most person might think, okay, having a blog, you might just go to another website and might lift other people's blog posts and then come to your website and post. No, it doesn't work that way. First of all, your website will not be ranked. Second, Google it's piracy. All right, and you don't want that, and you don't want other people to do that to you. So you don't want that as well. So you need to actually write out original content by you, and there are so many ways you can actually write out original content. All right, even if you want to. leave my links and articles, there's a way. There are so many tools out there that you can actually use to actually change them, and I've actually made video about on all those things. All right, so that's why you have to actually subscribe to my channel, because I make all these things really available. All right, so now having done that, you need 15 original posts, and then your blog have to be at least 3 months old. 3 months old. Like your domain has to be at least 3 months old before you apply for AdSense. I'm telling you all this from experience, because there are loads of people actually applying out there, and they are making all these mistakes. And this I made these mistakes when I started, until I got to understand it, and then I actually applied this my understanding, and actually worked for my recent blog that I actually have right now. All right, so your blog, your domain has to be at least 3 months old before you apply for AdSense, and Shift you'll be approved. Yeah, one more thing before you get approved. You need a sitemap, and then you need an about page, and then your website should be, the navigation should be easy, it should be easily navigated by people. Okay, the navigation should be clear enough. All right, clear enough. So having a clear navigation, it means all those categories and stuff. The about page, okay, disclaimer page. All right, there should be a disclaimer page. All right, so having done all these things, you could get an idea from other people's blog and see how it actually is, and then build your own. Having done all this, you're welcome to the money world. The next thing is posting that successful blog, and then getting backlinks and getting traffic to your blog, and getting ranked on Google. Add your site to Google Console, and off you go. So this is how to actually, with all these simple things I've actually explained to you, it's just a simple yardstick to start a successful blogging website. And if you do everything well enough, you should be on a very good track. All right, because when everything is set up and you're updating your blog site consistently every single day, all right, if people continue to visit your blog site, people continue to get vital information, then people continue to subscribe to your blog. All right, so you continue to get money paid to you, your access account, each time people actually visit your site. And one thing that you should avoid, there are other people that when they have a blog site and Google accept their blog, they start hiring people to click on their AdSense, and them they most time they use another phone to be clicking on their AdSense. That is highly discouraged. You could be banned for life from using AdSense. So that's highly discouraged. Please don't do that. That will not take you anywhere. It won't take you anywhere. It will only get you implicated and get you banned. So only work on improving your SEO, work on improving your blog posts, your articles, so that people can always find the need to come to your site instead of doing all this click for click. All right. So if you actually love my video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment your thoughts. All right, if you need me to make video on a particular thing, please comment in the comment section. The one with the highest like, I'll actually look through it and then try to make video on it. So I actually make video about my own experiences, and then some other experiences, well researched videos. So most of the time I spend a lot on some videos. So please do well to just give me the least thumbs up I could get from you guys, and then subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. I love you.